you're running late to work and you don't have time to make food. Do you buy a shake? Do you go to a fresh bowl? Or do you use the Ninja blender? Now, if you notice, it has settled, because I was on the freeway and I did not have time to blend. But now I'm driving through the city, and yes, I'm coming to a stoplight so I can safely vlog. So this is the Ninja blender. There were 2 for $60 at Costco during Christmas of 2024. I pressed the power, and then I charged it this morning, and now you're wondering, will it fit the cup holder? The answer is yes. Yes, it fits in the cup holder. So this will blend for 30 seconds, which is good. Pop the top and enjoy 50 grams of protein. I added the peanut butter, the organic peanut butter. So good. So good. I also added pebble ice, and then I usually add this collagen stuff that's pretty darn good. Anyway, my favorite thing is that I can just blend and blend. When I get to work, add a little soap, hot water, rinse it out. I actually put this part and this part in the dishwasher. The other cool thing about this is right here, it charges through USB-C, so I can literally just plug this into my car and charge it. Now, it does not blend while charging, which is kind of a weird thing. I don't know why it wouldn't do that. I guess it doesn't want you to get electrocuted. And then there's a sensor right there which makes sure that the container is on so you don't blend your fingertips. It's so good. So this solves multiple problems for me. 1, food on the go. 2, when I'm in a rush. 3, it's portable and it fits in my car cup holder. I mean, that base right there. And if you notice, yes, it is spill proof. And the cost, $30. For $30 is great. It blends ice, bananas. Oh, I have a banana in here. So the banana, the protein powder, the peanut butter powder, the collagen. All in all, it's a 400 calorie breakfast with only like 10 grams of sugar from the banana. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my hungry tummy. Sometimes when you put a whole bunch of ice in, it struggles a little bit, so it's not as powerful as the large blenders, but all in all, it's been great. Strawberries, bananas. I tried blending apples. That doesn't work very well. Kiwi, blueberries, frozen blueberries. Frozen fruit has no issues with. I put in strawberry, because strawberry and the chocolate mix, not so much, but I also have a vanilla protein powder that I got from Huel, Huel. I've reviewed them over the years. I found them during the COVID years when I had way too much free time on my hands. Starting to settle. It automatically powers off to save energy. And then I like that it lets you know what the power is. Based right there. We'll talk about that when I stop. Just 6 more ounces, Pietro. You got this. Pound it. Done. That was yummy. Well, I feel better. I was starving. I did the, let's see, I ate at 8 p.m. last night. It's 10 a.m. now, so I did an 18-hour fast. I've heard it's good once in a while. Let you think. Can help digestive issues sometimes. I did drink water during the fast. Thank you to my friend here, Stanley, and REI. Oh, you have to see this view. This is my view, driving to the river bottoms. It's gorgeous. I mean, look at that mountain. Mount Timpanogos this time of year. It's too beautiful not to share.